Welcome back to Lora Inspire and Create, your channel for DIY crafts, handmade jewelry, and creative inspiration you can try at home. Here you will find tutorials, tips, and designs that spark imagination and help you create something beautiful with your own hands. Have you ever thought a simple necklace could tell a story? This is the story of Elena, a woman who always admired jewelry but never thought she had the talent to make it. She often walked past boutiques with sparkling necklaces in the windows and thought, maybe one day. But that day never seemed to come. One afternoon while cleaning her attic, she found an old wooden box that belonged to her grandmother. Inside were strands of turquoise jade, shimmering green beads, and a delicate teardrop pendant. A small note was tucked between the beads. It read, "These were meant to be made into a necklace, but I never finished it. Perhaps you will." Elena had never made jewelry before, but something about that note felt like an invitation. She sat down with the beads, thread, and a little determination. At first, it was clumsy. The thread tangled, beads slipped, and the pendant kept swinging out of place. She thought of giving up. But then came the twist. She realized that the imperfections made the necklace unique. Each misplaced bead and uneven spacing gave it character, just like her grandmother would have wanted. It was not about perfection, it was about carrying forward a story through creativity. When she finally clasped the necklace around her neck, it was not just jewelry anymore. It was a memory, a connection, and a creation that belonged only to her. The compliments she received were nice, but what mattered most was the pride she felt every time she looked in the mirror. The next week, Elena started making more necklaces. She tried round beads, oval designs, and even crystal pendants. Soon she realized she was not just making jewelry, she was making confidence, joy, and meaning with every piece. And that is the heart of DIY jewelry. It is not only about fashion, it is about creating something that tells your story. So here's a question for you. If you had beads or materials waiting in a box somewhere, what story would your necklace tell? If you enjoyed this story, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Lora Inspire and Create, and share your own DIY journey in the comments below. Your creativity might just inspire someone else to begin theirs.